In this video, I will show you how to fix common gaming setup problems quickly. If your monitor isn't displaying properly, first check the HDMI or DisplayPort cable and make sure it's firmly connected to both the PC and the monitor. If your headset has no sound, go into your sound settings and set it as the default audio device. For lag or slow performance, update your graphics drivers and close background apps that use too much CPU or RAM. If your controller isn't working, try reconnecting it, updating the firmware, or switching to a different USB port. Finally, if your internet keeps disconnecting while gaming, restart your router and use a wired connection for more stability. With these quick fixes, you can solve the most common setup issues and get back to gaming without frustration. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.